Hard to come by Naples Heritage Villa, 2-bedroom plus DEN, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Dover floor plan. Beautiful pool. New golf course view. Naples Heritage is a beautiful landscaped, gated, bundled golf community situated on 550 acres of pristine lakes and AMP preserves. This active community has an 18-hole gold course, 2 putting greens, driving range, renovated clubhouse west/golf pro shop, new resort-style pool with cabana, tennis court/pavilion, pickleball courts and AMP, new fitness center. Just minutes from downtown and AMP. Beaches.